Now last topic of this chapter is the application of simultaneous equation. Practice set 1.5. Now in this practice set we are going to learn how to apply the use of simultaneous equation in our day to day life. आपल्या डे टू डे लाईफमध्ये आपण कशा पद्धतीने सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशनचा वापर करून आपले प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू शकतो ते या प्रॅक्टिस सेटमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत. ओके, सो I read the problem. Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Okay, so first we have to assume. Now there are various steps of word problem. First we assume the variables for the given condition. So let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. Okay, let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. Now what is the first condition? See, two numbers differ by 3. बघा पहिली condition काय आहे? So from the first condition, so what is the first condition? Two numbers differ by 3 means the difference of two numbers is given, it is 3. So what will be the equation? दोघांमधला दोन नंबर मधला फरक डिफरन्स दिलेला आहे 3. So our greater number is x. So what will be the equation? X minus y is equal to 3. This is our first equation. Okay, now read the second condition. The sum of the twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number. Okay, now thrice the greater number. Thrice the greater number. So thrice the greater number is 3x. Okay, and twice the smaller number. Twice the smaller number. Now our smaller number is y. So twice the smaller number is 2y. Okay, and what is the condition given? Smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. So from the second condition, 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. This is the equation number 2. Okay, now solve this. See whether the coefficients are equal. The coefficients are not equal. So multiplying equation 1 by बघा इथे ते प्लस 2y आहे. इथे जर 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर दिस कोएफिशिएंट्स आर सेम. सो बाय 2. So we get 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. This is our equation number 3. Okay, now see, in equation 2 it is plus 2y, in equation 3 it is minus 2y. So adding, here there are different signs. बघा भिन्न चिन्ह असल्यामुळे आपण addition करूया. So adding equation 2 and 3. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 19 plus 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. So this is our equation 2 and this is our equation 3. So 5x, now here it will be get cancelled. So 19 plus 6 it is 25. Okay, so dividing both sides by 5 we get x is equal to 5. Now substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 1. So equation 1 is x minus y is equal to 3. So 5 minus y is equal to 3. So minus y is equal to 3 minus 5. So minus y is equal to minus 2, and therefore by multiplying both sides by minus 1 we get y is equal to 2. Okay, so x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. And lastly, your answer in words, that therefore the greater number is 5 and smaller number is 2. This is the solution. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. So our greater number is x, and that is greater number is 5 and smaller number is y, so it is 2. So the greater number is 5 and the smaller number is 2. Okay. Second example, the sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present ages. Okay. So let the father's age be x years, father's present age be x years, and son's present age be y years. Okay. Now from the first condition, what is the first condition? The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son. Son age is twice, म्हणजे मुलाचं वय हे दुप्पट आहे वडिलांच्या वयाच्या, बरोबर आहे. सो वडिलांचं वय आहे x, सो x प्लस 2y आणि त्यांची सम आहे 70. सो x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 70. दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. ओके. नाउ व्हॉट इज द सेकंड कंडिशन? इफ वी डबल द एज ऑफ द फादर अँड ॲड इट टू द एज ऑफ हिज सन. बघा, आपण जर वडिलांचं वय डबल केलं 2x plus y, then sum is 95. So 2x plus y is equal to 95. This is our second equation. Okay. Now आता आपल्याला हे सॉल्व करायचं आहे. बघा बरं, कोएफिशियंट इक्वल आहेत का? नाही आहेत. सो फर्स्ट विल इक्वेट देम. सो फॉर दॅट मल्टिप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 1 by 2. Okay. So it is 2x plus 2 to the 4y plus 17 to the 140. So this is our third equation. 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. Now see, the coefficients are equal in equation 2 and 3. So subtracting equation 2 from 3. Okay. So equation 3 is 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. Equation 2 is 2x plus y is equal to 95. Now subtraction. So change the signs. Okay. So 2x minus 2x, it will be 0. Plus 4 plus 1, it is plus 4 minus 1, it is 3y, and 140 minus 95, it is 45. Now dividing both sides by 3, we get y is equal to 45 upon 3. Therefore y is equal to 3. 15 3s are 45. So y is equal to 15. Now substituting y is equal to 15 equation 1. So x plus 2 into 15 is equal to 70. So x plus 30 is equal to 70. And therefore put this 30 to the right hand side. So x is equal to 70 minus 30. Therefore x is equal to 40. So lastly the answer, the father's present age, हे आपण x मानलेलं, so it is 40 years. The value of x is 40. So the father's present age is 40 years and son's present age is 20 years.